first time. I'm sure they've all, I think sir has been here a million times, and I've always wanted to be part of a film that is going to be screened here in this prestigious place. But I didn't know it was going to be Amaran because in a lot of ways I think that I wanted this film to work for director Rajkumar sir's vision because he had a very pure thought in his mind, and I gave it my all. And I'm a Tamilian, but I play a Malayali. And his duty was to make sure that there was one population of people in Tamil Nadu to feel bad for a girl who's come from Kerala and then she leads a certain life. So the journey's been quite traumatizing for me as I played it. But in the other side, I think the film also shows the life of the people at home who wait for their husbands to return, their fathers to return. And he's showed it in such a beautiful form where you're not only able to empathize, but you also start to it's a very bittersweet moment where you know that you've lost your son, husband or wife, or husband or father to protecting the nation, but still you've lost your family. So it was that thin thread that we were trying to achieve, where we're also trying to show that we have a soldier who's working for a lot more families who are back there, but there's a family who loves the soldier so much, the husband so much, that they let them go and get what they want. So that is the kind of a bittersweet moment that we were trying to capture. So at the end of the movie, if you're able to feel a lot of joy, pain, patriotism, and a lot of guilt, I think that is what I felt when I heard the script, and that is what I was aiming to get at. So this is a very, very surreal moment and a very beautiful journey for me, and I'm happy that it's led me here and amongst all of you great people, and thank you to the jury. You must have watched so many movies and you still found this precious, so thank you so much. And